Okay, today on Garage Mahal, we have a 1998 Nissan Altima that gave us a knock sensor error. And it is located by the oil pan, up past the oil filter, which is there. And it is right there. If I can get a good focus on it. And that's your knock sensor. And the easiest way to get to it is you need a 12mm stubby socket to get up in there. And if you have, I don't have huge forearms, but if you got big forearms, you're gonna have a tough spot to get in there. But what I did is I disconnected the one nut right there, right in that spot right there, and that gave me another little couple millimeters, so I was able to kind of get up there to get that sensor. Like I said, you can hardly see it up there, but there it is. And then a wire connection is right there for it. Other than that, not too crazy, but definitely a tight squeeze. Oh, and that is a knock sensor hanging. And like I said, right behind it, you got the little coupling. So you disconnect that, put the new one in, put it back up, you're good to go. Okay, and to get the sensor out, you need a pick tool. And you can be pushing this little bar forward underneath the clip. That's kind of difficult for you to see, but basically you're pulling that clip out. And then the old sensor pops out. So that's your old knock sensor. And then your new knock sensor. Basically it's put in this way. And like I said, I'm trying to do this one-handed and hold the camera for everybody. Alright, and then you're going to put the clip on the other side. On both sides, I'm going to put the camera down so I can do this real quick. And I'll show you what it looks like when you're done. And that is the new knock sensor with the clip installed. So you want to make sure it's nice and straight and lined up. And then see that little plastic ridge? That's where that metal clip has to go. And it basically just stretches on both sides. And then the fun part begins, where you're going to take the screw and put it right back up into that hole right there. So this I am not going to film because it's not going to be a good angle, but you get the general idea. Anyway, hope this helps.